Gray & Gray's been in practice since 1967 when my father founded the firm. The purpose of the firm is to represent injured and disabled people, whether that's in workers' compensation or Social Security or personal injury.
Our clients, they meet us at some of the most vulnerable time in their life because they're injured.
These are people who essentially were doing their jobs, they were supporting their families, and then they got hurt and they lost some of the ability to do that.
So not only are they suffering because they have a medical disability, but they're also going through usually some sort of financial strain because they cannot work.
Having an accident is overwhelming. Their job is going to their job. Their job is not paperwork. An experienced attorney can help in filling out that paperwork.
We deal with the claim, we deal with the paperwork, we deal with the Social Security Administration, we deal with preparing the file for a hearing. They can deal with getting better while we deal with the claim.
The sooner you call a workers' compensation attorney for advice, the better. The sooner that we are able to help you, the more we can advise you as to what rights you have and what duties and obligations you have under the law.
I believe that people should understand the process that they're going to be engaged in.
In my opinion, a client who understands where they are, why they're there, and where they're going in their case makes a very good client.
We have a group approach in the sense that when one person comes in with a particular set of circumstances, if it is a work-related accident, obviously we can handle a third-party action. If it's a Social Security disability case where it looks like they may be injured for an extended period of time, we can handle that as well. Rather than working with different firms, we handle all things in-house in this firm so that there's a coordinated approach to make sure that we're acting in the best interest of the client and taking advantage of every opportunity to maximize the recovery for the client.
We work with the client right to the end to get them the best possible resolution.
Gray & Gray, we definitely have a reputation for having smart attorneys who know the law, and we're definitely known for not shying away from a fight.
Our goal is always to get the best results for the client. In the course of doing that, not only do we handle the clients on an individual basis, we're also deeply involved in legal education for the legal profession and in advocacy on a political level to try to preserve and improve benefits for injured and disabled people.
You know, I love my job, I really do, and I tell Rob that all the time. I love my job, and it's like a little family here. So we all work well together.
What's truly gratifying in terms of the job is when the client comes out and they're happy with the decision that they got.
Our job is to win the case. That is what we do. It's what we've been doing for 50 years, and it's what we'll continue to do.